Howdy, I'm Linda Purcell from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Instant Pot Yellow Dal. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Instant Pot Yellow Dal is the perfect dish to cook up when you're craving some soul-satisfying comfort chow. We love this dish. It's so tasty and so good and is so satisfying.
I'm using an Instant Pot. Under saute setting, we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to just let that heat up for a minute or two before we add our sauteed onions. Now I know it's heated up, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seed. Just going to let the seeds cook until they start to pop. The seeds start to pop. It's a good time to add the rest of the onions. I'm going to add in 1 jalapeno and 1 serrano pepper. I remove the seed from the serrano because I don't like it too hot. And I'm going to add in 3 garlic cloves that have been bruised. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of curry leaves. I have here a combination of channa dal, split yellow pea, green yellow pea, and red lentil. I like to really use toor dal and split yellow pea. Use what you have in your cupboard. That's what's best. So now I'm going to add 6 cups of water, 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of and coriander, ground coriander, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Stir it all up. Now we're going to cook it under pressure for 8 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Look how nice it looks. It's so beautiful. So now we add some cilantro and it's ready to go. Yummy. Look how beautiful that looks. Just serve it up with a little rice.
And now it's time for the taste test. Check it out. So delish. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. Or you could pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.